Hello beautiful community, welcome back to Let's Play Fair. This is the 4th weekly update of our 108 Beautiful Days challenge and today is the day 30th. As committed to play fair, let me share with you the real honest views on how is this challenge going. So let's begin. And honestly guys, things are going to become more challenging because my holidays are going to end this week. Balancing college, content creation and challenge is a challenging task. Looking back in what I said in the previous update, I was seriously thinking that managing college, content creation and challenge is a difficult task. But seriously guys, having college into my schedule turned out to be strange but a beautiful paradox. There is a famous time management theory called Parkinson's law. It states that work expands itself to fill the time available. It means if any task is allotted to you and your deadline is for next day, there are more chances that you are going to waste your time completing the whole task for the whole day. But maybe the effective time needed to complete this task is just 2 hours. So this is what Parkinson's law states, that you are going to waste your time to complete that particular task which can be effectively completed in less time. So similar thing happened with me. During my holidays, I used to stretch my tasks so much that I ended up wasting lot of time. But with strict college routine, I had no time to waste. At most, I would waste hour and half to chill. This structure helped me in effectively completing all my tasks without wasting time and optimize every hour. Positive side of this week is that the most of the days in this week was very productive. Talking about my study sessions, they have improved. I have started studying every subject analytically. Talking about my meditation, I have become better in that. To play completely fair, this week was not perfect. On a particular day, I wasted lot of time and then fell into the loop of negative self-talk. Though I completed all the tasks that day, but my mind was not peaceful. Regarding my diet, I have used 2 buffer days again, so now I'm left with 3 buffer days out of 8 buffer days for rest of the challenge. Looking at my morning schedule, I woke up between 5:30 to 5:40 am for 3 days and for 5 days I woke up between 4:10 to 4:20 am. Due to highly productive college days, I wanted to rate my performance for this week as 80%, but because of 3 late wake-ups, 2 buffer days and negative self-talk, I am rating my performance for this week as 76%. Now as we have reached day 30 milestone, I want to make some calculated changes for optimizing my targets in academics. I want to fix my revision time to 30 minutes every single day so that I can optimize my target. With God's grace, I have completed day 30 out of 108 Beautiful Days challenge and I am committed to show up every single day to complete this challenge and build a community which believes in learning, growing and contributing together. That is why I am inviting you to make your life more beautiful along with me so that we can learn, grow and contribute together in something bigger. See you in the next update. Till then, Hare Krishna.